I finally realized why I like the game of golf. For years, I played all different sports growing up. And golf, when I started playing it in high school, it just clicked with me. And I never really understood why until today. Hey everybody, it's Doug with Golf Reboot. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe so you see future videos coming out. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Today's video is a little bit different than normal. So I had another one ready to go. This one I'm taking on my phone. It's a spur of the moment thing, and it's all about what I realized about golf. So I apologize if the quality's not as good, if the sound isn't as great. But here's something I realized. Every other sport that I've played is a team sport. Now, the way I look at myself, I'm a team player, but what I've learned over time is you can't necessarily rely on other people. And I try to do a lot myself. It came to me today that golf is about you, your clubs, the ball, and the course. It doesn't matter if you're out playing with your buddies. It doesn't matter if you're out playing with strangers or by yourself. You're out there playing the course with your clubs, your ball. That's all you can control. You can't control what the other guy hits. You can't control anything. You can't control the weather. All you can do is take your practice, what you've done, and play the course the best way you can. We're in the middle of a series on golf strategy, and that's probably what started getting this going for me, and a couple things that have happened over the last couple days. You can have your strategy, you can do your thing. If you don't have the skills, you're not going to play good golf. You need the skills, you need to practice, you need to make the shot. And like I said, this is something that came to me today, and it makes total sense. I don't have to rely on anyone else. If you're in a scramble, obviously that's different, but if you're out playing around, it's on you. Whether it's in a sim, whether it's on a course. If you're practicing, that's on you. Nobody else can learn how to hit the shots. They can help you and tell you how to, but you are the one that needs to make that change. So here's my thought. You need to learn how to be accountable to yourself. Nobody else is going to be there for you. Yes, you've got your family, your friends. Nobody else is going to be there for you to make you a better golfer. Nobody is going to force you to be better at your job. Nobody is going to make you be a better person. It's all you. So if you want to be a better person, great. If you want to be better at your job, fantastic. If you want to be a better golfer, you need to dig in, buckle up. Winter is the perfect time for you to do this, and focus on you being a better golfer. There's no one else that's going to do that for you. And like I said, I apologize if I'm repeating myself. This is a spur of the moment thing, but you need to be accountable for you. I'm the type of person who I want to do everything I can to help other people. That's why I have this channel. Whether people comment and say I'm an idiot, whether people say, hey, thanks, great. I want to help you get better. Whether my tips work for you, great. If they don't, just watch the next video. If you don't like me at all, it is what it is. I'm not for everybody. Throughout the course of my life, I've always been a person that wants to help other people. It's just a goal that I have. It's built into me. And what I'm learning is not everyone's like that. So I may go out, I may help other people all the time, and then it's time for them to come back and help me, and we all know it, they all disappear. Like I said, a couple things have happened in the last couple days, and that's what really made this click for me. So I was driving around, and all of a sudden it hit. Golf is a game that it's on me. I'm helping myself. You're helping yourself. I hope that I can help you, but all I can do is give information. You have to be the person that tries to make yourself better. So like I said, this is a short video. I wanted to put it out there. I hope that you get something from it. If you have questions, reach out. Like I said, my goal is to help you. Overall in my life, I think I'm going to change some things a little bit just from what I realized today, where I'm not going to go above and beyond for people who clearly don't give a shit. So my focus now is making myself better, playing golf better, helping you get better. If you want to talk more about this, feel free to comment. We'll have a conversation. If you think I'm an idiot, that's cool too. Don't really care. Comment down below what your thoughts are on this topic. I really think it's something. It's definitely making me look at things a little bit differently than I would. I'll probably still help people because that's just who I am. It's definitely something that's enlightened me a little bit. Now, if you need more help, go to the description. There's a free guide in there. Click the link. You'll be able to download it. I think it's useful. It's all about practicing. It's how I practice. I think it can help you practice better. There's also some links to different things that I've used. I'm not going to go deep into it because this video is completely different. But if you found this interesting, click up here. That's a video in our course strategies series about the 5 rules that'll help you be a better golfer. I hope you find it enjoyable. I had a good time making it. See you next time.